They got these kids out here doing some serious screaming again. Noise campaign. And the crickets, of course. Noise campaign. Azita. Always a noise campaign. Yep. Gotta have us under constant noise. So all this muffler shit follows me everywhere. It's sick, isn't it? And these fucking crickets. It's probably just a cricket box. Artificial. But they have thousands of them here. Oh, here they come. Here comes my favorite fan club. The Gang Stalking Noise Harasser. You can never leave home without them. What you doing, Zetas? What you doing? The rug's all messed up. There you go. Yeah, here how it's just a constant muffler mayhem. A non-stop noise campaign. Imagine that with you 20 years plus every day. How that would make somebody feel. Tell me that wouldn't give you anxiety or something. When you hear it non-stop. It's just a bunch of chaos. Never have any peace. Always got to throw some bullshit at you. So stupid. You hear it all? There's like 7 people at once. In all directions. Just staying in that gear, you know. Whatever they can do to disrupt somebody, you know. It's fucking retarded. Really, really fucking retarded. My dog agrees. She can't really walk right now, so it's kind of shitty. I gotta carry her up the stairs. And they also messed with my finances. I couldn't pay rent. So now I got late fees coming up. Just one thing after another. They never stop. They'll kick you harder when you're down, trust me. Alright, well, I'm just showing y'all what Saturday night's like here. in Targetville. We got screaming kids, blood-curdling screams, crickets, mufflers. Wonder if they're gonna have monster trucks. Sounds like they got all kinds of shit going on over here. Yeah, they're just like shifting down, you know. Whoa. All that stuff really starts to bother somebody who's sensitized to it. Because it takes your ears for a loop, you know. If you want to try and focus on something, you can't because all you can hear is that shit in the background. Come on, Zeta. See how she's limping? Yeah, fucked up. Alright, that's it, yo. Talk to you later.